If you're thinking about selling this summer, I have 4 great tips for you to make sure that you maximize your profits along with selling your house quickly and hassle-free. So stay tuned. Hey, aloha, Kristine here. Summer has arrived, and that means that the Kauai real estate market is warming up. And you may be considering putting your house on the market this summer, and if that's the case, I have 4 great tips for you in order to make sure that it's a hassle-free process and you can sell your property quickly for the most amount of money. First, give buyers as much access to the property as you can, either making sure that you have daily times set aside for showings. That way, your agent can make sure that it's easy to show to buyers that are interested in your property. Second, stage your house so it looks as good as possible on the inside. And I like to call this model ready. That makes it that when buyers walk in, it looks like a model home. It's clean, it's clutter-free, and it just really has a great feel about it that the buyers can imagine themselves in your property. If you need some help with this, let me know. I have a great guide and I have some staging tips that we can do. Third, remember that first impressions matter, even for a house. And typically that happens for buyers when they walk up to the front door. So make sure you spend some time boosting your curb appeal and taking care of some landscaping needs. Finally, make sure that you price the property right. Homes listed for the right price are selling in today's market. If you're not priced properly, sometimes you risk trying to catch up with the market, and that means more days on market. And the longer your property is on the market, the more buyers think there's something wrong with it. So making sure that you price the property right is a critical element in making sure that you're going to sell your property with the least amount of hassles and will ultimately help you profit the most amount when you're selling. So there you have it. Those are my 4 best tips for you to sell here on Kauai this summer. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me or put them in the comments below. And if you have any other questions about Kauai real estate, I'm here to help. I hope you're making it a fabulous day and you're enjoying the sunshine here on Kauai. Aloha.